Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video, and this video is long overdue. So as you guys can see by the title, I'm doing my monthly favorites. Technically, it's not really my monthly favorites. This is like accumulated over months, but I'm sharing it this month, so I just call it my monthly favorites. But as you can see, my bag is jam-packed to the top. So if you want to see everything that I've been using up, then just keep on watching. Okay, so the first product is from Dove. This is their Dry Spray Invisible in the like scent Sheer Cool. This stuff doesn't get my clothes dirty, like you won't see a white stripe or anything, and it smells really good. I think as of right now, this is my favorite spray deodorant that I have used and highly recommend. I'm currently trying one from Degree and I have mixed feelings about it, but overall this deodorant is bomb. Next I have another spray deodorant. This is from Suave. This is their Dry Spray Instantly Dry Spray, and I think powder. It smells like baby powder. It's okay. I definitely prefer the Dove one over this, but I bought it because I wanted to try something different. And yeah, I don't remember if I tried this before, but I think it's okay. Whatever you purchase, probably not. If I'm going to repurchase, one out of the two is definitely going to be the Dove one. So yeah. Next, I have a facial cleanser. This is from St.Ives. This is the hydrating one. This is their daily cleanser in watermelon. It says that it leaves the skin instantly hydrated and glowing. It's oil-free, dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, and the bottle was made with 100% recycled plastic. And I got this at Target for a pretty decent price. I'm pretty sure it was less than $8, and this stuff really does leave you like super hydrated and glowy after you use it. So I highly recommend it. It definitely smells like watermelons, which I love. So if you like watermelons and looking hydrated and glowy after you cleanse your face, then I highly recommend. They do have two other scents, I believe. I think it's a green and a yellow one, if I'm not mistaken, and I do want to try those, so I will most likely be repurchasing just in a different scent. So the next thing that I have is a larger spray of the Suave powder deodorant spray. This is the aerosol version. Same thing. The nozzle on this broke, so it's like half empty, but again, it's decent. It's okay. Whatever you purchase, definitely not, especially since the nozzle on this broke. Super annoying. What a waste of product. I hate wasting product, especially when I spend my money on it. So yeah, it's okay, but again, I prefer the Dove spray deodorant over this, and I'm pretty sure this is leaking. Look at my hand. Moving on to the next product, I have a cleansing water, like a micellar water. This is from Measurable Difference. This is their charcoal cleansing water. It says it's a gentle makeup remover and instantly hydrating boost. I got this online from TJ Maxx, if I'm not mistaken, for like $4. It doesn't say the price, but this is a super huge bottle. This was 16 fluid ounces and it's completely gone. Is it the best micellar water I've ever tried? No, but it got the job done, and it was black. You probably could see like a little bit right there, but I think it was okay. Whatever you purchase, if I found it again, probably it was okay. Nothing too crazy. I definitely prefer the Garnier micellar water over this, but again, this was super affordable. So yeah, there's that. The next thing that I have is from Sexy Hair. This is the Hot Sexy Hair Protect Me Heat Protectant. It basically is a heat protector for your hair, and for someone like me who constantly straightens her hair because when it's curly it looks a hot mess, this stuff is bomb. I used it before and I sprayed a little bit after, and I left my hair looking pretty sleek, and I'm pretty sure I don't have nothing. Oh, I do got something left. Is this? So yeah, do you see the shine that it gives your hair? It just leaves your hair looking super shiny. I got some in my mouth. It leaves your hair looking super shiny, and it is a really good heat protectant as well. Whatever you purchase, most definitely. I think they have a red one that I want to try, so yeah, I'm probably gonna get the red one next. So I have the Dove Dry Spray and the scent That is my son screaming or squealing at his tablet. So yeah, the next product I have is the Dove Dry Spray in the Rose Petal scent. Again, I like this one, but I like the Sheer Cool one more as far as scents go, but they work the same because they're the same product, just different scents. And yeah, I don't know, I have this thing with roses. It's like a hit or miss with me, so yeah, if you like roses, you might like this, but I like the other scent better. So I have this one and only argan oil, Moroccan Argan Moisture Repair Conditioner. I have the shampoo in my shower, and that is practically empty as well, so I will be decluttering that as well. As far as this product goes, it is quite expensive. I want to say it was $20 for each bottle, and you get 33 fluid ounces in here. This is what it looks like. I got mine at Sally's. Someone used this on me in a salon and my hair came out bomb. So I figured if I got it, my hair would come out bomb. I don't know what I did wrong, but I don't think it's worth the $20 for each bottle. So I would not be repurchasing this, but I finally used it up. This is a really big bottle. It's like the size of my face. It's huge. So the next empty I have is from Evios Skin times Aurora. This is a refreshing cleansing hemp wipes. I got this in a BoxyCharm. And they were super like wet, which is what I liked about the wipes, but I feel like they were too expensive. I could just get the Neutrogena wipes for the price of this, like probably 2 or 3 packs. So yeah, whatever you purchase, no, but they were good when I got them, if you know what I mean. Like I got them, used them because I had them, but whatever you purchase, no, because I feel like they're overpriced. I have this mask in here. It's from BioBell. It expired. It's still in here, but I did use one of these before and it was super moisturizing, and yeah, it was an okay mask. The box is empty, but these are my favorite like lashes that I purchased in the past few weeks. Like last month, I have my own lashes now that I am obsessed with, but if you're looking for affordable lashes, like $1, I highly recommend these. These are from AOA Studio, and they look really, really nice. And these are in the style Elydia. They're obviously not in the box. I'll try to post a picture here of what they look like on. But yeah, you guys know if you are subscribed and see my past videos that I'm obsessed with these. Okay, this part is for my nail sisters. I have a few empty nail products. So first, I have this L'Oreal Paris like duo nail polish. And I'm empty on this side. I have like 3 backups of this, and then this is like a clear top coat for the blue shade. Really, really pretty blue. I love this blue. It's like the perfect baby blue. But yeah, if you see this, you should pick it up because it's a really pretty color and the formula is really, really nice. Next, I have this Essie Good To Go Fast Dry Plus Shine top coat. This is like a regular top coat, and this is like the refill bottle. Is 4 fluid ounces, and I've used this all up. This stuff is super good if you like regular polish and you want a fast drying top coat, but that has a really nice shine as well. Highly, highly recommend. I got mine off of Amazon, I believe, for, I want to say it was less than 15 bucks, maybe eBay. I'm not sure, but if I can find that, I will leave it linked down below. I've shown this before in my empties, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Onyx Professional Nail Polish Remover. I got this at Walmart for like less than 3 bucks, and this is 16 fluid ounces, so super good deal. I need to get another one because I ran out, clearly. But yeah, if you're looking for a good nail polish remover, I highly recommend this one. I have this Desi New York Age Defying Nail Treatment. It's basically a cuticle oil. I got this in BoxyCharm a while ago, and I'm just now finishing it. It lasted a while. This is 11 milliliters. So yeah, there's quite a bit of product in here, especially for a cuticle oil. So it was really good. Whatever you purchase, yes, but I do want to try other cuticle oils, so I will not be repurchasing this as of now. So the next empty I have is a top coat. This is from iGel Beauty. This is their No Cleanse top coat. This is 15 milliliters in this bottle, and I got these probably about a month or 2 ago, and as you can see right here, I'm on my 2nd bottle, and I'm almost done with that bottle. This top coat is super, super good. There's no wipe. You don't have to wipe after it's done curing. It's not too thick, not too liquidy. And right now, iGel Beauty has had a 60% off sale for like the past 2 to 3 months. So this is originally $8, but with the 60% off sale, it was like $3.20. So I got like 10 of these. So you need to go and cop this like right now if you are a gel polish user. I highly recommend. This is like my second favorite after Not Polish's top coat, but sis, you won't regret it. Trust me. It's like the affordable version of Not Polish's top coat. Okay, so the last nail polish product that I have here is from Azure Beauty. This is their Soak Off top coat. This is a 12 milliliter bottle. It comes in a dual pack. I got this off of Amazon when I first started doing nails, and it worked pretty fine. I don't remember if it was tacky or not, but if you want to try it, try it. I honestly believe that this is a no wipe top coat. The scent to this gel top coat is really, really strong, but if you don't mind the scent to gel top coats, then go for it, sis. Go for it. But you should definitely try the iGel Beauty one first. Okay, so back to the last few makeup products that I have. I have a mascara from Wet n Wild. This is the Mega Volume Mascara. This stuff sucks. I believe I got this from Dollar Tree for like $1 or Walmart for like $2 or $3 if I'm not mistaken, and it's trash. It sucks. The brush does look pretty promising, but so I definitely don't recommend. So next I have like this sample thing from MAC. This is like their cleanse off oil. I got this in a Ipsy, I think, a really, really long time ago. I'm not even subscribed to Ipsy no more, but it was a good oil. So would I repurchase this oil? Definitely not. It's probably overpriced, especially since it's from MAC. Neutrogena has a really good one that I'm currently using that takes off my makeup like a dream. So yeah, but it was nice while I had it. I have this $1 Billion Brows Microblade Effect brow pen in the shade Dark. I got this in a BoxyCharm, if I'm not mistaken, and this stuff sucks. The color was really bad, and this was not pigmented at all, and I don't recommend at all. Also, I had to put my hair up because the room I'm filming in is way too hot. Then I have this eyeliner pen, which I don't even know where it's from. I believe it's from Ciate London. It's a felt tip, and this also sucked. It dried out really quickly. That is normally why I don't gravitate towards felt tips, because they dry out super quickly, and it's super hard to create a wing, at least for myself. Next, I have this Laga Prickly Pear lip gloss. It's not completely empty, but I'm pretty sure it's old, and I got this in an Ipsy. It was okay, not too pigmented. It was like a sheer tint to the lips. Really nice gloss, but I wouldn't repurchase. I have other lip glosses that I prefer over this. I have this Sample Mini Professionals Pore Primer, which I have the full size in my makeup collection. Super good primer, and yeah, I just wanted to get the little sample out of my collection. And last but not least, I have a lash glue from Airways Studio, which is completely crusty and dusty and ready to get tossed. Highly recommend this lash glue. It's only $1.88. They have this one, which is the clear one, and then they have one in black that I am currently using, somewhere around there. And your lashes will not, I repeat, your lashes will not go anywhere with that lash glue. And it's only $1.88. So stock up while you can, because that is the best lash glue I've ever tried. It's even better than the Kiss one from the drugstore. So thank me later for putting you on. So that was the last empty from my empties video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below anything you want to. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys are staying safe and blessed. And I hope you are having an amazing day or night wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.